Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best cushion seats for classrooms, the Sawysine 12-piece floor cushion set. If you're looking for a comfortable, flexible seating solution for kids, especially in home schools, classrooms, kindergartens, or daycare centers, this product might just be what you need. The Sawysine floor cushions come in a pack of 12, featuring a variety of classic colors that kids will love. Each cushion is thoughtfully designed with children in mind, offering a perfect blend of comfort, support, and portability. Measuring 12 by 12 inches, they provide a moderate size that is ideal for kids to sit comfortably while they learn, read, or play. One of the standout features of these cushions is their quality foam filling. The cushions are made from soft yet durable foam that offers a great rebound effect. This means the cushions hold their shape well, providing firm support to prevent discomfort or hip injuries during prolonged sitting. The foam's resilience ensures that the cushions don't easily bend or lose their shape, making them a reliable seating option for active little learners. In addition to the comfortable foam, the cushions are encased in a waterproof poo cover. This surface makes cleaning a breeze. All it takes is a quick wipe with a damp cloth to keep them fresh and spotless. This is particularly helpful in classroom or daycare settings where spills and messes happen often. Mobility is another thoughtful design aspect. Each cushion comes with a sturdy handle, allowing kids to carry and move their seat easily to their preferred spot. This makes it perfect for flexible learning environments, where seating arrangements can change throughout the day. The cushions arrive compressed for shipping, but they quickly regain their fluffy form within a day. And if they need a little help expanding, a quick blast of warm air from a hair dryer can speed up the process. These cushions aren't just functional, they also promote an inviting and personal space for kids to focus and relax. Whether it's for reading corners, playrooms, libraries, or homeschool setups, these cushions provide a cozy and supportive seat that encourages children to engage comfortably in their activities. In summary, the Sawysine 12-piece floor cushions combine thoughtful design, durable materials, and easy maintenance, making them one of the best seating options available for classrooms and learning spaces. If you want to create a flexible and comfortable seating area for children that supports their posture and adds a splash of color, these cushions are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.